Welcome back, YouTubers. Well, the old Farmall lives again. Got her up and running. This is a continuation of the other day's video where I was doing an oil change. I just finished refilling this up with fresh oil, and anyways, sorry I didn't get it on camera here, getting it fired up. But I had a little bit of monkeying around here to get it going because my solenoid switch on the starter was acting up a little bit sticky. It's been sitting a while, so it's understandable, but she's up and running, and without further ado, are sealed up now. They're holding oil. Working like it should. Before that, this one was dripping, but now it's you do things right, you get a good end result. So, anyways, he runs pretty good. So, runs pretty clean for an old girl too, considering how old these tractors are. So. There she is, folks. 1966 International Farmall 806. She sure runs nice. In case you're wondering, the other one I said I was doing an oil change in it the other day, yeah. On these old early Internationals, you're actually supposed to run straight 30 weight oil in them as well, so it's got a little, I guess, 30 weight's got a little more zinc in the oil, and it's these engines were what they call the flat tappet style valve train in them. So 1540 doesn't really, I mean, it works okay in them, but again, it was on oil that wasn't really recommended for these early internationals. They're, I guess, the 806, the 26, the 56, and I think even some of the early 66 series, they were actually, well, by the time you got to the 66, I guess it was okay to run 1540, but all these early ones, you were supposed to run straight 30 weight oil in them, so that's what was recommended by International Harvester. And Case IH, I believe, to this day still recommends that you run it in these old girls. So that's what I got in there, and sure it's running smooth. So anyways, thanks for stopping by and checking out this video, and as always, folks, take care.